Hello and welcome to our program. Please join me in welcoming our guest on the show today, who is an unusual combination of ancient wisdom and modern day reality, Arun Buthiraja. Arunji, welcome to our program.
Thank you.
India's ancient intangible heritage, and you're deeply passionate about that. Let's talk a bit about that so that our viewers are familiar with it.
Basically, to put in context, we have heard about tangible heritage, restoring old buildings and so on and so forth. It's a wonderful exercise. But somehow I felt that there is need to restore intangible heritage, and there are many things, but within that I am trying to focus on the wisdom that our ancestors had provided, which somehow over the period of time has either got muted or got converted to another shape. Hence, I thought, let me do it in a way. The way I've chosen is through festivity or through food or through light-hearted means, because I don't want to become preachy, and hence make it experiential, enjoyable, and hopefully people will pick it up as we go along. And on the other hand, in terms of making it experiential and happy to absorb, I would also like that the whole intangible heritage is brought to daily use and daily problems.
Okay.
Whether it's employment, whether it's disease, whether it is depression, whether it is health, whatever. So if we pick up these causes, so I'm saying here are the issues and here are the solutions. Now how do I find the bridge to the two of them? So that's how I started Krishna Prerna way back in 2006. And we have traversed about 6 years of journey, and we have accomplished some, but we have a lot more to do and move on.
So what's the vision of your foundation?
The vision of the foundation is to bring intangible heritage, which singularly what I mean is, well, that's a large subject in itself, our ancient wisdom brought to daily use and daily problems in an experiential, happy manner.
अरुण जी, जब हम intangible heritage के बारे में बात करते हैं, दोनों loaded शब्द हैं और काफी layers हैं इनके बारे में, तो इनको जरा simple तरीके से कुछ examples के जरिए से बताएं.
Sure. Take for example, there is a university called S. Vyasa outside Bangalore. It is the world's largest yoga university, and many don't know. Anyhow, the vision and the man behind is Dr. Nagendra, who is a bachelor, who is a former professor of Indian Institute of Science, went on to Harvard and then went on to NASA.
Okay.
But somehow his guru told him that, time has come to do human engineering, leave the other engineering. He got into understanding yoga from a scientific perspective. Now, I'll give one example. He developed something called armchair breathing. Armchair breathing is for people who have asthma, which is plenty happening within this city also where we are.
True.
Now, when you get an attack of asthma, you tend to go for a puff or a cortisone or something. And these are all chemicals that are going in at the end of the day. The armchair breathing is a few seconds, minute exercise which redeems that problem. Now, it's a straightforward, on the table deliverance of an intangible heritage for a current problem at no price. As part of the Rasrang World Flute Festival, which will be starting around the 9th of August, we launched, there is a section within the festival. In fact, I don't even call it festival, I'm saying it's an institution. We developed a product called Bansi Yoga. Nothing, combining yoga and flute to relax you.
So why do you find flute so magical?
Lord Krishna, I always keep questioning living in Vrindavan, why he did that, I don't read much. So I asked this question, that why did Krishna pick up the flute? What is so about the flute? It is one instrument that can draw you to your center. Now, in the mythology, they have shown that there is, when he used to play flute, the more Hiran, Gopiyan, sab dode chale aate the. That was centering.
Like the center of the universe.
Center of the universe. Now, we call it, when I call it in a layman's language, focus. That when you hear flute, it will bring your thoughts together and bring you into a center point.
Okay, and it's about breath control.
Breath control. So, it's a lovely instrument that can solve day-to-day problem. And we made an application of that called Bansi Yoga.
Okay, so you do this combination?
Combination, where we do an exercise for about 25 to 30 minutes.
Okay.
It is recorded that doing the cyclic meditation, which takes you into what we call DRT, deep relaxation technique, which any person can do, whether obese, young, old.
Okay.
And this will give you more relaxation than 8 hours of sleep, scientifically recorded. And what we need, what yoga has to do, what if you have to be healthy, or anybody, the viewers or anybody have to be healthy, they have to learn how to relax. The more you relax, the more your pulse rate is low, the more your blood pressure is normal. You are a much better, healthier, better thinker.
And especially in the current day context, when other than pollution, there is noise pollution and work. Work is really stressing you out.
Stressing, yes,
So
yes.
this really would help.
See, I think we need to put this in perspective also.
Okay.
I have worked in the corporate world. We all are working, you're working, we're working. You go back to olden times, the yogi slept for 2-3 hours a day. He was always working. और सारी क्रियाएं अपने आप ही करता था. Whether it is his own work or whether it is the work of the institution, whether a Gurukul or whatever. He knew and she knew the knowledge of relaxing, which is what today I don't know. The amount of work is no different. In fact, I would say amount of work our ancestors had more.
All right.
Today we still go back home and say, so-and-so please give me my food, so-and-so give my clothes. But till yesterday, I remember my own parents coming back home, washing clothes, getting the food ready. By the time they know it's 10 o'clock, they slept. By the time they know it's 5 o'clock, again अंगीठी जलाओ. उस ज़माने में गैस भी नहीं होती थी.
तो हम अपनी वेसल्स को भर तो लेते हैं, उसको खाली करने का तरीका भूल गए हम.
Correct. And that is again flute. Example of flute. Why? When you blow flute, the purpose is to become hollow. Empty yourself. Hence, relaxation is also emptying. कितना आप अपने आप को ठंडा कर सकते हैं, कितना आप अपने आप को रिलैक्स, जितना रिलैक्स उतना हेल्दी.
सो ये जो हमारी ट्रेडिशन थी, हमारी विजडम थी, ये लुप्त हो गई, या इसको हम इतना टेक फॉर ग्रांटेड क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि खाने के मामले में, और आपने काफी इसमें अध्ययन किया है और कराया है कि सीजन्स के मुताबिक से भी खाना खाया जाता है. इसके बारे में बताइए.
You know, I'm very fortunate that when I dropped anchor in Vrindavan, and I'm more fortunate I didn't get into scriptures, I didn't get into puja part, that part of I went into the spirituality, Krishna. And when you walk into Vrindavan, it gave me automatic energy. It may not give to all, it gave me. I said, this is good enough.
Like a calling.
Like calling. I said, it's nice energy. So I said, why? I kept going to one ashram to the other. I used to live there. I used to eat their food. मैं देखता था कि मेरे बाबा लोग सुबह उठ के 4 बजे क्रिया शुरू करते हैं, रात को 10 बजे सोते हैं, थकते ही नहीं, हंसते रहते हैं, बोलते भी अच्छा है. One of the things I saw, of course, they don't do any other abuse, whether it's alcohol or smoking or whatever. But one thing I saw is to what they eat. So I started researching this in 2007.
Okay.
Now I've come to the road of journey, where milestone, where I wanted to release a book. It's called Bhog, the temple food of India. Myself and my wife, Dr. Geeta, we traveled to about 27 temples of India, and we learnt their vidhi. क्या बनाते हैं, क्या भोग लगाते हैं, क्यों लगाते हैं, और बड़ा सिंपल सोल्यूशन आंसर निकला. माय कंट्री हैज 6 सीजन्स, 6 ऋतु और 8 पहर दिन के, एक पहर 3 घंटे का. सारा खाना मेन्यू पूरे 365 दिन का बना हुआ है. एज पर द पलचान विच विल टेल यू कि सावन कब शुरू हो रहा है, सर्दी कब आएगी, मेन्यू पूरा बना हुआ है. ओके, आई विल गिव यू अ स्मॉल एग्जांपल. In Vrindavan, I noticed in my ashram, they offer Sheetal Jal. We call it Sheetal Samagri. It is rose water. It is Baras. Baras is the highest, cleanest, pure version of Kafur.
Okay.
Okay? Thoda kesar, mishri. Ye pilate. It is absolutely the best coolant a man can have at the cheapest price. This is another thing I realized about Lord Krishna's theory. Okay. This is my theory, how I learned. He was of course he was romantic. He was most economical God. He was most eco-friendly God. And I can prove it by hundreds of examples.
Okay.
वो छोटी चीज करते थे और बड़ा लाभ देखते थे. That is strategy. That is management.
True.
अब मैं इतने से बरास में ठंडा आपको पिला दूं, आपका स्वादी भी है, आपने मेरे को आनंद भी आ गया, तो और क्या चाहिए मेरे को, 10 पैसे में हो गया काम. तो आजकल तो 12 रुपए की तो कोल्ड ड्रिंक की बोतल भी नहीं मिलती.
और उसको पी के लू में जाओ, गर्मी में जाओ,
कुछ नहीं. आजकल हम जब सुबह निकलते हैं बाहर कुटिया से, तो वी पुट चंदन एंड बरास का पूरे टेम्पल टू टेम्पल लगाते हैं. फेस पैक बोल लीजिए आप. अब क्या है, ठंडे तो कर रहे हैं, दोनों टेम्पल्स आपके बराबर चल रहे हैं, आपने लगा दिया है. रात को आप जो है चंदन लगा के सोइए, यू आर फैंटास्टिक. आई विल गिव यू अनदर एग्जांपल. वी आर वेयरिंग ऑल काइंड ऑफ क्लोथिंग्स, राइट. मल एक ऐसा कपड़ा है, आप उसको पहनिए, अच्छे अच्छे डिजाइनर मल के पहनिए, बट वो है कपड़ा पहनने लायक, तो बाकी का क्या फायदा है? ना वो देखने में सुंदर, ना वो डिलीवर कर रहा है जो डिलीवर करना चाहिए, कंफर्ट, और ना वो ठंडा रख रहा है गर्मी में. तो फिर वो मल पहनते थे.
वही कपड़ा सांस भी लेता है.
Actually it breathes. So there are innumerable. Now I'll give one more small example of Bhog food, so that viewers must dive into this. There is something called सुहाग सौंठ.
सुहाग सौंठ जी.
कम से कम नहीं तो 120-130 प्रकार की चीजें डलती हैं उसके अंदर, काली मिर्च से लेके सौंफ, फलाना ढिमकाना. Now it is made into like a hardened गुड शेल्फ लाइफ डेजर्ट, ऐसा सोचते हैं. सर्दियों में जैसे ही पहचान के मुताबिक सर्दी का मौसम शरद से शुरू होता है तो वो बन के पड़ जाती है, रखी जाती है. नाउ यू ईट दिस मच पर डे. यू डोंट नीड अ स्वेटर, यू डोंट नीड अ क्विल्ट.
आपका बॉडी टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल करती है.
इट कीप्स यू वार्म.
वाओ.
मैं भी सोचता था इतनी सर्दी होती थी उस जमाने में, ज्यादा होती थी, अब कम होती है. हाउ डू दे मैनेज्ड? Food gave them the answer.
So all these things which are made, which have fabulous shelf life and as per the seasons, are they difficult to make?
Very easy. I told you, this Lord and our ancestors, Lord छोड़ी चलो, हम आदमियों की बात करते हैं. Our ancestors were brilliant. वो कभी ऐसा काम करेंगे नहीं जो सरल ना हो. वो कभी वो ऐसा काम करेंगे नहीं जिसकी विशेषता ना हो. वो कभी ऐसा काम करेंगे नहीं जिसमें खर्चा ज्यादा हो. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, यू नो दे आर एक्सट्रीम. मैं आपको कितने अनगिनत एग्जाम्पल दे दूं. फेस्टिवल्स पे आ जाते हैं. फेस्टिवल्स पे आई टोल्ड यू दैट द मिशन ऑफ कृष्णा प्रेरणा इज टू लुक एट द विजडम, ब्रिंग इट एक्सपीरियंशियली इन अ हैप्पी फॉर्म टू द पीपल.
लाइक अ सेलिब्रेशन. लाइफ इज अ सेलिब्रेशन.
इट इज जी. दैट इज वाई हमारे यहाँ 365 दिन के 365 डेज फेस्टिवल्स है.
मतलब रोज,
हर रोज है. अभी अगर पूर्णिमा खत्म हुई है तो अभी सावन शुरू हो गया है, सावन के झूले लगने शुरू हो गए. हर रोज 365 दिन है. हमें एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए नहीं. नाउ द गुड थिंग इज दिस एंटरटेनमेंट इज एक्सपीरियंशियल एंड इट इज एंगेजेस यू, हेंस इट आल्सो इज थेरेपेटिक. लेट्स से गोइंग टू अ बार एंड हैविंग अ ड्रिंक विल नॉट ईज यू आउट. इट विल गिव यू मोमेंटरी. दिस वन यू आर डूइंग, अच्छा तू ये बना, तू लड्डू रख, तू ये कर, वो करते 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 जब यू आर मूविंग, यू आर एंगेजिंग योरसेल्फ, you find yourself therapeutic. I'll give you an example. I asked myself again, these are all my made thoughts, whatever. मैंने ठाकुर जी ये होली क्यों खेलते हैं इतनी? हमारे यहाँ पर बसंत पंचमी से लेकर होली तक 40 दिन की होली होती है. Not the day when you play.
जी.
जब सर्दियों का मौसम आता था और it was dark and it was very cold, people used to sing and practice बसंत के राग.
Okay.
तो घर में बैठ के कल्पना करते थे कि स्प्रिंग कैसी होगी और उनके साथ ऐसा खेलूंगा. सो इन योर बैड टाइम यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ द गुड टाइम
एंड यू आर टाइडिंग ओवर देम.
ब्यूटिफुल.
लवली.
सर्दी में बैठा मैं अपनी कुटिया में बसंत के राग गा रहा हूं तो क्या सर्दी लगेगी? सोच तो वहां है.
बिल्कुल ट्रांसपोर्ट हो गया.
ट्रांसपोर्ट हो गए. अब आ जाइए होली पे.
जी.
द वर्ड होली इज मेड ऑफ 2 words, हो ली. जो हो गया सो हो गया. लिव इन द प्रेजेंट. इतने अनगिनत मैंने फिलोसफर्स की किताबें देखी हैं शेल्फ में पड़ी हुई, विच आर डूइंग सो वेल, बिक रही हैं. सब एक ही चीज बोल रहे, लिव टुडे, लिव फॉर टुडे. जो हो गया सो हो गया, जो होना होगा वो देख लेंगे. होली इज अ मैनिफेस्टेशन ऑफ दैट. टू कम्युनिकेट दैट टू यू, ठाकुर जी सेड चलो होली खेलते हैं.
मतलब जीवन भी एक खेल की तरह लीला है.
लीला है, बिल्कुल. नाउ इन द होली व्हेन दे पुट कलर, the color is to destroy your identity, which is your biggest enemy. मैं तो कुछ हुई नहीं.
Lovely.
जब मैंने रंग लगा दिया तो पता नहीं आप कौन हो. You know, in Mathura, after the day of the Holi which you play in the country, they tear their clothes. It's a manifestation of shedding my past. Now, in those days, अगर मैंने इसी अनपढ़ को बताना हो कि यार आज की डे में रहे, please do not go in the past. I have to do something. I found our ancestors doing it so beautifully by communicating it in a joyful, happy way. So I've been doing Ras Rang Holi Utsav for the last 6 years. There is Manipur ki Yaushang Holi. There is Uttarakhand ki khadi Holi, Beti Holi. There is a Jodhpur ki Holi, which is Marwar ki Holi. There is Braj ki Holi, the Latmar Holi, the Phoolon ki Holi. There are so many types of holies which celebrate spring. Spring क्या कहता है? नई चीज आई है, चल आगे देख, छोड़ पीछे का, ठीक है? So I said, let me do this. And through this festival that we do every year, the series of Rashtrang, I have been communicating to youngsters. This year, in March, when we did the Holi, 20,000 youth came.
Lovely.
We serve no alcohol, we serve no non-veg, nothing. And people say, ऐसे चलेगा नहीं, कोई नहीं आएगा, रूखा सूखा है. मैंने कहा, देखो, अभी आनंद लगाते हैं. So it's become one of the biggest festivals of the city. Take, we're going to do something called Rashtrang Damru. It is a Mahashivratri party in Varanasi on River Ganga.
Okay.
It's dusk to dawn party. So लोग कहते हैं यार let's go out for disco nights. मैंने कहा let me create a spiritual rave party.
Okay. Okay.
So I'm creating this spiritual rave party. dusk से शुरू होगा, dawn तक चलेगा और non-stop संगीत चलेगा. Young भी गाएंगे, परदेसी गाएंगे, हमारे छन्नूलाल मिश्रा जी गाएंगे, पंडित हरिप्रसाद जी बजाएंगे, सुजात खान साहब सितार बजाएंगे, सब कुछ होगा. But what a party! Now to experience that party, I can bet my bottom dollar that people would say this is the best event and a best entertainment I have seen. Because he's experiencing that. He'll go into his skin. To that effect, I would say that Rashtrang, as a brand of festivals that we have created, is essentially bringing good knowledge in an experiential, happy way forward.
Out of this whole thing, which became tradition and then religion, we kept the ritual, but we forgot the meaning, and that's
Correct.
what you want to.
Well said. Well said, Gaurav.
And that's what you want to bring back.
Exactly.
You know?
Exactly. I would like everybody. I would like the best brains and IIMs of the world, the IITs of the world. I was when I was coming here to meet you, I was talking about. I went to this institute called BrahMos. Brahmaputra and Moscow River 2 made BrahMos, an Indo-Russian joint venture.
Right.
So I by accidentally went in, and there was a museum. It's here in Delhi, next to the Army Golf Course. And what I see is that way back Tipu Sultan made the first missile of the world. Today, BrahMos makes the world's fastest missiles. And it's a museum of Dr. Abdul Kalam. It's a museum for Gandhi. It's inspiring. So I told them, I said, I will do one thing. I will push children and school children and college-going kids to come to this. Nobody knows. I said, you just walk through that museum, you'll feel inspired. You want to do something. You feel proud. So these are things put together, all of us put together, should repackage for the way the market wants, like every smart marketer does. I think we should all become good salesmen and good marketing agents of our ancient wisdom. We will solve the problem. Because we have shown enough evidence that we have not been able to solve many problems. So hence, we should say, all right, I've tried this.
We have really nothing to lose.
So I know, but you have tried. You have given up. You're saying this man can't be brought to this. Sir, you got diabetes, sir. Keep having insulin, sir. No, sir. We have to come to the point where he doesn't have to have insulin.
True.
So I think, and if the wisdom is providing that answer, then go full hog.
Arunji, we're going to go in for a short break. When we come back, we'll talk about your personal journey in this line, and how do young people, or how does the average person who is not exposed to, say, programs like this, or people like you, or institutes like the Yoga Institute, how do we access this knowledge bank?
Sure.
All that and a lot more after this break.
नमस्ते 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 अंकल.
क्या बात है बेबो, तुम तो हमेशा नमस्ते कर रही हो.
क्योंकि मैं हूँ डैंड्रफ फ्री हमेशा. पेश है नया और बेहतर हेड एंड शोल्डर्स. ये 100% तक डैंड्रफ मिटाए और उसे वापस न आने दे दिनों, हफ्तों और महीनों तक.
हे, मैं देता हूँ.
नमस्ते बॉस.
नमस्ते.
नए हेड एंड शोल्डर्स के साथ.
P&G.
लड़कों को कैसे करें इम्प्रेस? स्टाइलिश न्यू हेयरकट, एक्सपेंसिव ब्रांड, पर बजट है कम, पॉकेट मनी ऑलमोस्ट खत्म. 5 रुपए है क्या? 5 रुपए में क्या होगा? 5 रुपए में अब मिलता है प्रिया गोल्डन बाइट बिस्किट. तो आज के फंक्शन के लिए क्या? मोटी सी चोटी, बाल बहुत पतले हैं और इतने झड़ रहे हैं.
1 रुपए का पैंटीन, ये चोटी बनाए मोटी और बालों का गिरना करे बिल्कुल कम. पैंटीन अब सिर्फ 1 रुपए में.
कीमत छोटी, चोटी मोटी.
बड़े बड़े कद्दावर जवान कौम के हबशी दो दो सफे बांधे खड़े बा शमशीर बरहना आपस में लड़ते हैं कि खून उनका बहकर दरिया में गिरता है कि पानी उस दरिया का वही खून है जिसके सबब से नाम उसका दरियाए खूने रवां और नाम पुल का पुले परी ज्यादा है।
अपने इस बनवाए हुए तिलिस्म में जहाँ जा बजा सैरगाह और इमारतें हैं, हवा के तख्त पे सवार सैर करता फिरता है।
अब बेबी के रात भर आराम की नींद के बाद आपको डायपर बदलने की कोई जल्दी नहीं, क्योंकि पैम्पर्स में है 4 लेयर्स और मैजिक जेल जो गीलापन को रात भर अंदर लॉक करे और आपके बेबी को ड्राई रखे सुबह तक, ताकि आपको मिले ज्यादा टाइम मस्ती के लिए। सिर्फ एक पैम्पर्स दे रात भर सूखापन।
P&G। खास पलों में रूसी आपको शर्मिंदा कर दे, मतलब अपना शैम्पू बदले। हेड एंड शोल्डर्स एंटी डैंड्रफ शैम्पू, सिर्फ ₹1.5 में ये ज्यादा रूसी मिटाए एक ही वॉश में।
अरे लगता है शादी आपकी हो रही है।
हेड एंड शोल्डर्स, दाम कम, रूसी से छुटकारा हरदम।
अंकल एक ओरल बी शाइनी क्लीन टूथब्रश दीजिए।
हाँ, ये लीजिए ओरल बी शाइनी क्लीन जेड शेप्ड सॉफ्ट ब्रिसल्स और टंग क्लीनर के साथ, सिर्फ ₹14 में। और ज्यादातर डेंटिस्ट भी ओरल बी टूथब्रश ब्रांड का ही सुझाव देते हैं। ओरल बी शाइनी क्लीन टूथब्रश।
P&G।
Welcome back. We are speaking with Arun Buthiraja, who is telling us about life, ancient wisdom and modern day reality. Your journey, Arunji, from the corporate sector into us understanding traditional wisdom, ये change कैसे हुआ?
Right from my birth onwards, I came from a middle class family, economically middle class, not thinking wise. That was the good thing. My parents and my ancestors, as I'm very fond of saying, we could be third world economically, but we can't have a third world mind. Our mind can be first world. Huh? So I kept seeing these good things around, but economic pressures, day-to-day life, unaware, not fully aware what we have and what we can do. I went the normal route. Do good studies and get good job and make money and marry and have a kid and all that. It kept on, and by the year 2000 I started to feel there is no challenge in this. I used to go to the office, I used to find my room air conditioned, everything was at my beck and call. Okay, bottom line more. Today it's 2,000 crores, next year it will be 3,000 crores. Fair. I'm not saying anything wrong. I'm not complaining. The corporate sector has their role. We all have a role to play. Each one of us. That's the beauty of nature. But somehow I wanted another challenge. And from my childhood, I was exposed to my mother's bhajans. I was exposed to the Krishna stories which my grandmother told me in the bed. So there was something kept on hitting. There was this. Of course I went to a bar. Of course I went to the discotheque. But this side also there was this knock going on. So there was this.
So you lived the
I
life
lived that
inside.
for a while without aware that this is knocking.
Okay.
So like my guru, Dr. Nagendra, who one day just gave up NASA and started doing yoga research. And I had not met him that time when I went to this life. I realized that on my visit to Vrindavan, I saw filth. I saw widows. मैंने आज कितने हैं? बोले 28,000 है. 28,000 widows in a town like Vrindavan and surviving and happy. I said there has to be something around. This is ridiculous. I forgot. Then उस दिन होली थी, मैं होली में लग गया, फिर ये, फिर वो. One after the other, I started discovering the greatness of this ancient wisdom coming at me. Okay, like a storm. I said, let me harness this, and I'm supposed to be a corporate guy who knows management, supposedly. I said, let's use it in this. Let me become a salesman. I am a salesman of spirituality. I am a salesman of my ancient wisdom gurus, blah, blah, blah. I didn't want to give any other name. I made one point. I said, forget this is Vrindavan and forget these are widows. Can you see this not as a pilgrim town? Can you see it as the world's largest senior citizen home? अगर मैं इन सारे 28,000 विधवाओं को यहां से बाहर निकाल दूंगा, अपने घर जाओ, इट विल क्रिएट सच अ बिग प्रेशर बैक. इसका मतलब किसी के और इन सब के तो बोझ उठा के तो ये शहर उठा ही रहे ना, वो खा ही रहे ना, वो रह ही रहे ना. आपने तो कोई पैसे नहीं भेजे. देन द सेकंड थिंग दैट हिट मी मोर, पीपल थॉट दैट पीपल विडोज इन वृंदावन आर एक्चुअली बिकॉज ऑफ माइथोलॉजी. जब विडो हो गई तो वहां चले गए. गॉड, दीज women are women who are from your and my kind of homes, who have been thrown out, who have been pushed to that limit to say, let it go. I'm happy they pushed them out, because you know what is the first thing a senior citizen wants? Mainstreaming. He doesn't want your medicine and food. उसको अकेलापन खाता है, कपड़ रहता कमरे में, कोई आ जाए तो उसको पकड़ लेता, बात ही करता रहता उसके साथ. ठीक है? That means he wants mainstreaming. The moment you leave दिनचर्या and mainstreaming, आप बुढ़ापे में बीमार होकर जल्दी मर जाते हैं. आप दिनचर्या में लगे रहे, भजन में, यहां वहां जो भी कुछ करते रहिए आप. Then I saw one more thing. ये सॉरी टू से, बट ये मेरी सारी विधवाएं क्या मजे में 1995 चल रही, क्या एज में, वाह, हंसती हैं, खेलती हैं, दे आर एनर्जेटिक. I was touched at what's happening. I realized that Vrindavan is the world's largest senior citizen home, and I request my viewers, policymakers, to see any pilgrim town like that and then see the facilities based on that. What I saw, to my horror, that Vrindavan doesn't have a public toilet. If you and I have to go, we will have to go knock some hotel door. Okay, please, I want to go take a break. I wrote a letter to the Chief Minister. Now, earlier, I said, give me land, I'll make the toilet. I'll make the world's best toilet and a best looking toilet. And I will make it, I will operate it. I'm now doing that. So through this example, I'm just saying that Vrindavan, okay, world's largest senior citizen home. This is what Krishna was saying. Krishna said, okay, look after your mother, look after your friend, look after your sakha, look after your sakhi. I'll give you another small example, which I'm very fond of giving. Draupadi was Krishna's friend. एक दिन ठाकुर जी की उंगली कट गई. उन्होंने अपने फट से साड़ी से निकाला कपड़ा, फाड़ा और उनको बांध दिया. बात खत्म हो गई. फिर हम महाभारत देखते हैं, फलाना देखते हैं, हम देखते हैं वो द्रौपदी के साड़ी खींची जा रही है और ठाकुर जी वहां से चला रहे हैं जी. और अनगिनत लेंथ चल रहा है, यार्ड्स चल रही है. तो लोगों ने कहा ये मैजिकल साइज ड्रामा. व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू कन्वे, एक दोस्त के लिए एक चीज कर तो उसके आगे 10 और वापस कर, उसे दोस्ती कहते हैं. व्हाट अ सिंपल डेफिनेशन ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप. सिंपल, एक कितनी छोटी सी बात पे कितनी बड़ी बात कह गए वो.
और ये मित्रता और दोस्ती ये मूल है, मूल आधार है जीवन का, इसमें कोई शक की बात.
सो कृष्णा प्रेरणा फाउंडेशन, आई वांट मोर पीपल टू जॉइन इट. इट्स अ पब्लिक.
So how do people get access to this information about life?
See, okay. Firstly, you have to become a seeker. You have to be a seeker. You have to seek. यार मैं परेशान, कई लोग तो आते हैं माइलस्टोन की वजह से इस लाइन में कि ओहो ये हो गया, ये बीमारी हो गई, मैं वहाँ एम्स भी गया था, फलाना भी गया था, नहीं हुआ, यार कोई और इलाज बताओ. फिर वो बाबों के पास जाते हैं, फिर वो ये धागा पहन, वो धागा पहन, जो सारा चक्कर घूम जाता है. यार उन्होंने सुना था कि योगा में भी कुछ होता है, आयुर्वेद होता है, फिर वहां घूम. मैं कहता हूँ प्लीज टर्न इट अराउंड, टेक इट एज द फर्स्ट रिजॉर्ट.
बिकॉज समटाइम्स द डैमेज इज ऑलरेडी डन.
उसकी भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, जब रास्ता सरल सामने है तो उठाओ.
I think that's very, very well put, Arunji. Thank you so much for coming on our show. A lot of learning and a lot to look forward to.
Thank you so much for inviting.
Thank you.
Thank you.